Hi mga Briat! So andito na kami sa Red Rock Hot Spring.
Mayang muntek.
So bago kami maligo, kain muna tayo ng durian. Ayan, naliki-liki na yung durian. Don't smell.
Smells good.
Let's see how is your reaction when you eat this.
Oh, you break it right open.
You haven't eaten it.
Never.
Never? It's your first time again.
My first time.
So now
They're
go.
gone.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
that's the fruit.
Now, taste. Let's see his reaction.
It's sweet. It's good.
Ah, ganahan siya.
Some other people don't like it.
Really?
Yeah, because it smells like bad and then when you eat, you don't like it.
Okay lang siya guys. Hindi siya...
And now this is the only fruit out of the whole thing. This is the fruit here.
No, there's still another.
This is two pieces. Oh, okay. This is good.
Tapos ano ko sa taas?
You like it? Mary Jo, you like it?
Yeah.
Give Mary Jo some. So it's three fruits. Three sections. Okay. Three. That's the seed. Okay. Durian. Durian.
Daulin niya.
Yummy, yummy. Lamig.
Dong, your face come here na po camera. Dorian. Ah, okay.
Mungkin lewat ni dulu.
Oh, four.
Ay, back to back.
Yes, back to back. Back to back.
Four per four.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
See?
2, 3. Oh, it's out.
This is what you get yours cast.
Oh my gosh, it's so big.
Yes, it's so big. You get that one. Yes.
Kaya pang thumbnail.
Yes.
Tata na eh.
Okay, so the other one is yours, Han.
I don't want that much.
Just hold it. We will teach you how we eat this one. So this is what you get it.
Wala na lang pangit.
Okay, hold it. And this is what you going to eat. How's the taste?
It's alright.
Lebih apa? Cheers.
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 Yummy.
Kain tayo mga buya. Yan.
Durian. Lamig.
Oh, finish?
Finish. I win. I beat.
Oh, nauna pa yung durian niya.
Lick your finger.
Finger licking good. Just like KFC. Now, I grade.
You want more, Han?
I'm good, honey. I'm good.
Kas. Coba.
Kuha na niya? Tungat tani ka?
Pwede. Hindi na matuwa. Ay!
Peanuts.
Ay, ito tayo. Cheers, cheers.
Lamig yung ito ko.
Ano mo? Isa pait. Gunit eh siya. Kay Minhan ha, we brought the durian that is so tasty.
It's very good. I enjoyed it.
You enjoyed? You want more next time?
Yeah.
How about balot next time?
No balat.
Pilitin natin sa mga buya.
Maybe some other time.
Only chicken egg. No balat.
So let's swim. Sarap. Nasarapan siya. Approve? Approve?
Yes. Oo.
Oo.